I know you're not a big fan of the drug war. Why is that? Talk about sort of what the downside is.
Well, I think we would all agree that we are not winning the drug war. Drug abuse is up from when it started. There's money and violence fueling the criminal cartels on our southern border and elsewhere. Drug abuse is fundamentally a medical issue, a health issue, more than a criminal issue. There's certainly a criminal dimension to it, but it needs to be dealt with primarily as a health issue. And the way that I talk about this with people, as I say, many people, I certainly have, you might have friends or in your extended family who have dealt with drug abuse issues. I've had a cousin that went through it. Many people know somebody who's gone through very difficult issues with drugs or alcohol. And the question I would ask everybody to ask themselves is, in your case, do you think that person would have been better served by being in jail for several years or getting the help they needed to end their chemical dependency?
Right. Now, the economic gains potentially, if America, or at least on a statewide level, were to legalize marijuana, what would those gains be?
Well, there's a recent study that was released last week that showed that the legal industry in the United States in marijuana is already a $1.7 billion industry. California is the largest state, Colorado is the second largest. It's already created thousands of jobs in Colorado, several $1 million of tax revenue. I really think that's just the tip of the iceberg with regard to the potential of the industry in terms of job creation, revenue creation for the government. And we're not just talking about, to be clear, jobs, in dispensaries or growing the product. We're talking about accountants, lawyers. We're talking about real estate. It's helped fill some of our blighted areas. We're talking about advertising in alternative weeklies and newspapers. So we're talking about a whole host of ancillary economic benefits.